Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to AnkiNish Creations. Today I'm gonna share 3 DIY Christmas ornaments idea. They are very simple to make and stay till the end of the video if you want to see some glimpses of my first ever craft exhibition. And now let's get started with the video. For this one we will need jute twine, 4 popsicle sticks, scissors and hot glue. Now stick the jute twine like I'm doing here and stick other popsicle sticks as shown here. Our popsicle snowflake ornament is ready to paint. I'm gonna use nail paints to do this, but you can use acrylic paint or any other paint you have in the house. Now I'm letting this dry and then I'll add a layer of glitter nail paint like I'm doing here. Even if you choose to paint the base with acrylic or any other paint, do this layer of glitter nail paint on top, it looks very pretty. I've made many other designs using nail paints and you can also use glitter like I have done here. Now let's move on to the next one, which is pom-pom and various other beads ornament. Collect whatever beads ornament you have in the house and assemble them with a thread and you're done. I'm taking double thread for beading the ornaments and tying multiple knots so that the pom-pom does not come out from the knot. Now let's start beading the ornaments. First, the pom-pom will go. After this bead, I'll cut the thread and then I'll insert one bell into one thread and another bell into another thread so that I can tie a knot using 2 threads and secure all the beads in place. Now, in the same way, tie 2-3 knots at the end of the thread to make it hangable. Cut the excess thread and we are done with this ornament as well. It was so easy to make and looked so colorful that I made quite a lot of them. Now for this last one, we are making tree ornament using pipe cleaner and few other different things. Fold the pipe cleaner in half and start giving it a Christmas tree kind of shape like I'm doing here. I've also made a Christmas tree garland using this technique. You can find the link to that video in the description box below. Now I'm taking that shiny thread again and will insert in this tree like this. And then I'll insert this big bell and then I'll again separate the 2 thread and insert one bell into one and another bell into another so that I can tie a knot and secure all the pieces together. And finally, make multiple knots at the end of the thread to make it hangable. You can also use big beads if you don't have that big bell ornament. And we are done with our third and final ornament idea. I hope you liked this video. Hit that like button if you did and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And now it's time to show some exhibition clips.